guys, we're going to be putting together the Davient bike over there. It's kind of their motorcycle slash throwback to the 1950s style bike, and man oh man, it is one beautiful bike. In order to put this bike together, you're going to need the toolkit that comes with the box. It's pretty straightforward. It's kind of like putting IKEA furniture together. Toolkit comes with like a couple wrenches, the handle for a screwdriver so you can just put different pieces in, this piece, and now I have a screwdriver. Isn't that cool? And a couple of Allen keys in different sizes, so it's just easy to screw it in. Again, as I said, very similar to IKEA. Sometimes you might need to ask for a little bit of help. I couldn't see where to put the disc, and Sam came in and gave me a hand. Here's what's next. We gotta get the battery, which is huge and pretty heavy, and it goes in there. So it's time to get to work.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So those two red ones are going to connect to each other at the top there. Awesome. Then down here,
Connect the black one.
blue and the black together at the top. Yeah. Hard blue and the black. And then you're going to connect the
This one,
red and blue.
yeah, just be careful. There's gonna be a spark, but it's okay.
Awesome. And then the rest is just putting,
Yeah, just tug
tug everything inside and put it back in with the top there.